Hello everyone, so today, welcome to the house tour 2020. So today I'm going to show you all my rooms and stuff. So, the thumbnail is the picture of the front of the house. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. So first we have my room. Let me just, oh yeah, I got ceiling lights in my, oh wait, hold on, it's not on. There we go. Okay, so anyway, we have my TV, and I have Spectrum right here. So anyway, here's my posters, my signed Thomas More State jerseys, all my video game consoles, my info map, my bed, my post flags, my posters, all that. Here, those are controls. I got my jerseys, my helmets, my games, plushies if I ever want to use them for videos. And my keyboard, and yeah. Alright, next is the bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom house, so 2 lands right here. Okay. So yeah. Then next here, it's my dad's room. He's got a TV in here too. Okay. The next is the living room. There's the TV. I got the Xbox and the NES up there. Then I got another ceiling fan up there, and over there's the kitchen. So let's go over there. All right, guys. So here is the kitchen. We got had some pizza over there. Yeah, I like these types of fridges where you can put ice in it, and yeah, I like these types of refrigerators. Trying to open. Yeah, I miss my old apartment, but this is not too bad. Got LG dryer. Actually, I think it's the washer, and General Electric. I think that is dryer. Pull it down. Yeah. We decided to bring the old microwave. Got the old coffee machine. That's my mom's phone. New microwave. And yeah, take a look outside the backyard. Speaking of which, let's go there. Okay, guys, so this is the backyard. There's my dad's grill. I've got some Formator's paint there, and I guess that's where you grow your plants. And we have a lot of trees now, and I now have a deck. And yes, this is a deck. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of pine cones around here, so gotta be careful about stuff. And I don't know what that is, but let's go inside the shed. Yeah, it's kind of dirty in here, but we got some lawnmowers, some fuel, and my bike. And yeah, all right. I'll show you guys what's back in the house in just a few seconds. And for the final rooms, let's see what's in this room. Oh, just some storage place. And that's the attic, but I don't really go in there much. So, and finally we have my mom's bedroom. Yes, this doesn't really look like a bedroom, but we just bought that TV for her, and there's a couch, and the second bathroom is here. Nice little round bathtub, another bathroom. It's like a bathroom in a bathroom. There's actually 2 walk-in closets. Here's the first. That was the first one, and this is the second one. This one's actually bigger. Got some more storage. As you turn up the light, put on this one. Nice red light. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching this house tour 2020 video. And see you guys later. Bye.